Oh, I'm PamOnSunset. Check out these bloopers in the last few weeks. Wow. Oh no. That's cute. And 5 cons to share with you, and Alex is here too.
Say it again. Good luck, have fun. Oh, I'll put the screen up for you.
Here we go. We gotta wait for Alex to pass through. Then we
I'm gonna go super fast.
Okay, thanks. Still have to wait till you go out the door. She suggested we add there's something sticky here and I'm getting stuck in it. It's always fun when you're in my videos.
I'm off to Red Dead Redemption to rob a bank.
Okay.
By the way, I'm a big YouTuber.
Oh, are
And
you?
I made a video about how much I love these containers called Please Forgive Me. It's really funny, so go watch it.
Please. AJ!
My mom got me Tupperware containers and I really like them!
They can go to your tail to hear that. Why is my face always itchy in here? I'm allergic to my set. So itchy. Thanks, Topanga. I got an email. Turn the volume off.
Make noise. Can't make noise. Mommy is recording a video for the people. Say hi to the people.
Dumpster fire. Topanga barks at. Ow. My cushion. So, you want to know, is this worth it or very bad for you? And now it's finally time for what you've all been waiting for, to find out how the cloud bread secretor. Next up is the video my mom's. I don't know what I'm saying. Okay, fine, I'll tell you. He wore jeans to a basketball team audition. Audition? Is that the right word? Tryout. What did I want to say? Later I'll give you. Bleh. Later I'll give you.
Keep going.
Words are being said. Okay, here we go. I made a jewelry dish a few months ago, and it's up. The music is really fun. I don't know what I'm saying anymore. What I mean, the music is all this royalty. Ladle? Apple fitness! Make sure you hit the Pam button. That's not a thing.